WorldPay Payment Platform Full Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. WorldPay, now part of FIS, is a robust payment processing platform designed primarily for medium to large businesses requiring comprehensive global reach. Key features include multi-currency processing supporting over 120 currencies, advanced fraud protection utilizing machine learning, customizable reporting dashboards offering granular insights into transaction data, and integration capabilities with major ERP systems like SAP and Oracle. WorldPay supports a wide array of payment methods, from traditional card payments, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, to alternative payment methods like digital wallets, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and local payment schemes, ideal SOFR. Its strength lies in its scalability, enabling businesses to expand internationally with localized payment experiences, and its sophisticated risk management tools minimize fraudulent transactions effectively. Furthermore, WorldPay offers dedicated account management, ensuring personalized support for complex business needs. However, it's not without its drawbacks. A significant weakness is its relatively high pricing structure compared to smaller, more agile payment gateways. The complex setup and integration process can also be a challenge, often requiring technical expertise. Another con is the occasional complaints about customer service response times, particularly for smaller issues. While WorldPay boasts extensive documentation, navigating its platform can be overwhelming for businesses lacking dedicated IT resources. WorldPay shines when handling large transaction volumes and international sales, offering robust fraud protection and detailed reporting essential for enterprise-level operations. For smaller businesses or startups, the cost and complexity might outweigh the benefits, making simpler alternatives like Stripe or PayPal more suitable. In conclusion, WorldPay is a powerful solution best suited for established businesses with substantial transaction volumes and a need for advanced features and global payment capabilities, provided they are prepared for the higher costs and integration challenges.